Have you ever come across an AI tool that makes you stop and question whether humans are even needed anymore? Because that's exactly what happened to me when I discovered TapNow AI. This isn't just another text-to-image generator or an AI video toy. TapNow claims to be a full-blown AI visual creation engine, a system that can take your ideas, scripts, and concepts and turn them into cinematic visuals ready for ads, films, and storytelling. And honestly, the claims are bold. So today, we're going to test it, break it down, and figure out if TapNow is truly the future of creative storytelling or just another shiny gimmick in the AI hype machine. So, what exactly is TapNow AI on the surface? It's an AI platform that lets you create entire visual experiences, from product ads and brand videos to story-driven mini-films using nothing more than text prompts and imagination. The company behind it, TapNow AI, calls it a visual storytelling engine, but when you step inside, it feels like more than that. TapNow has this feature called TapFlow, which is like a digital creative canvas, an infinite space where you can drop ideas, write scripts, and see them evolve into visuals in real time. It's almost like Miro meets Midjourney meets Runway Gen 3, all blended together with a cinematic touch. The website boasts that it's powered by the most advanced image and video models in the world. They name drop everything from Runway and Midjourney to Kling, Vidu, Veo, and even GPT-based logic engines for storytelling. That's a lot of heavy hitters, but flashy names mean nothing without results. So I decided to do what any curious creator would. I put it to the test. Alright, let's start with how to sign up for TapNow. The process is actually pretty simple. Once you visit their official website, tapnow.ai, on the top right corner, there's an option that says Sign in or Get Started. When you click that, TapNow gives you a few quick sign-up options. You can either use your Google account or simply create an account using your email and password. It only takes a few seconds, and after verifying your email, you're taken directly to your personal TapNow dashboard. Now, once you're inside the dashboard, this is where things get exciting. TapNow greets you with a slick, modern interface that immediately feels professional, kind of like a creative studio powered entirely by AI. At the top, you'll see the main navigation bar with options like Tap TV, Workflow, and My Projects. Tap TV is where you can explore trending creations and AI-generated videos made by other users. It's a great place to find inspiration or see what's possible with the platform. The real work, though, happens under Workflow and My Projects. When you click Create New Project, TapNow opens what's called the TapFlow, an infinite digital workspace where you can start building your visual story. You can type out your idea, upload references, or even sketch concepts directly if you're using the Draw to Video tool. The interface is designed to feel creative and fluid, with drag-and-drop modules that make experimenting super easy. The dashboard is designed with creators in mind. It doesn't feel cluttered, and it's actually fun to explore. When you click on Create New Project in TapNow, you're taken straight into the workspace. This is where all the creative magic happens. The interface is clean, minimal, and feels intuitive even for first-time users. At the top left, you'll see your project name, which starts as Untitled. You can rename it to keep your projects organized. In the main workspace, you'll notice a large black grid area with a preview frame in the center. This is your video canvas, where your generated video clips will appear. Below that, there's a text box where you can type your prompt, the description of the video you want TapNow to create. For example, in this case, I have typed a futuristic coffee ad in Tokyo at sunrise, cinematic tone, minimalist aesthetic, modern music vibe. This text acts as the creative direction for TapNow's AI. Once you hit generate, the platform begins visualizing your description into an actual short video clip using the model listed just below the prompt box. For example, WAN 2.2. You can also adjust settings like aspect ratio 16:9 and resolution 480p, as well as playback speed using the options at the bottom. After generation, you'll see your first video clip appear on the timeline. From there, TapNow allows you to expand the project by adding more elements. As shown in the second image, you can link new video nodes, text nodes, or even AI script nodes to create a full storyboard, for example. Here we see a video of a barista in a coffee shop connected to a text node describing the scene. So let's unpack what's happening under the hood. TapNow isn't one single AI model. It's more like a conductor leading an orchestra of different ones. It combines text to image generation, image to video synthesis, and post-processing tools like motion smoothing and upscaling. When you give it a story idea, TapNow first builds a script blueprint, breaking your text into visual moments. Then it uses trained models to fill in the frames one by one, matching your tone and atmosphere. Think of it as a creative co-director that never sleeps, never complains, and never runs out of ideas. The use cases here are pretty huge. For e-commerce sellers, TapNow could generate promo videos or ad campaigns without hiring an agency. For filmmakers, it could help with pre-visualization. Imagine seeing your entire scene come to life before you even shoot. And for creators like us, it's a playground. You can storyboard entire video ideas, animate product concepts, or test cinematic styles before you ever open your editing software. Because here's the question that keeps coming up. If anyone can create studio-level visuals with a few prompts, what happens to originality? What happens to artistic craft? Personally, I don't think AI replaces creativity. I think it amplifies it. The camera didn't kill painting. Synthesizers didn't destroy music. They expanded what was possible. And that's how I see TapNow, not as a replacement for creators, but as a collaborator that helps us. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to IdeaPlex, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next exploration into the future of creativity, the story machine that might just out-create us all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.